Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today to share with you some of my favorite Dolby Atmos clips from the movie Dune. Okay, like this is a fantastic way to start out this movie. It just communicates like the power and the massiveness of what you're about to see. It is just, and that thumping sound, you probably can't hear it. Mike, I guarantee it's not picking it up, but there is just an awesome just thumping. I can hear just very faint rustling of sand on the overhead speakers. And now it's much more. Just, it feels like I'm in the middle of a sandstorm right now.
The spice harvester's land. The outsiders race against time to avoid the heat of the day.
Oh, the sound is just all around. The sound is just all around.
Came long before I was born.
Chamber or wide open area, and the Atmos, the height speakers are echoing and creating that like echo reverberation sound that communicates that he's in this massive chamber, and it just adds to just the grandness of the shot and of the scene. So as they're chanting Atreides, it is echoing through the height speakers, and it just sounds like the sound is just coming at you from all angles. It is so cool. It is so cool.
You dismissed my mother in her own house.
Come here.
Okay, that was really cool. That was really cool. It like came through like all of the speakers. Okay, ambient sounds are now coming through from behind, the sides, and the heights. It's like a hissing sound to communicate like the intensity of the scene. Oh, yeah. They're coming through really, really clear. Like as it just slowly builds in intensity, and then the power just hits you. That is awesome. This scene right here makes really good use of the surrounds, because the music is coming through the sides and the heights, and it just surrounds you. So this is a really cool scene with the ornithopter. As it lifts off, there it goes. You can hear it on that side and then raising up. Oh. So cool. As they came from the side, came through these speakers and overhead and then directly in front.
My desert.
That's all coming through the heights.
My Iraqis.
His voice is like above the viewer. So the sand sound is coming from the front. The music is coming from the sides and the heights. Now there's like hissing sounds, the sound of the sand, all in the heights. It's like traveling around and around. And there's like a faint voice. It's coming through the heights. Oh, this is so cool. It's coming from the sides, and then it travels up to the heights and it come down. So with this sound, all of the music is coming from the sides and the heights. And now these craft, as they fly across the screen, they travel from side to side. And now you hear them as they fly into the sandstorm. The the sand is coming through the heights and the sides. Okay, that was so cool. Those missiles, they just traveled straight from the rears, the sides, and then to the fronts, and just traveled straight through. So it sounds like you're in the middle of a sandstorm, and the craft is just breaking up all around you. It's just coming apart all around you. Oh, this is so cool. It's so cool. So those are a few of my favorite scenes from Dune. I mean, the entire movie is just filled with just incredible sound design. I mean, I showed you some of the more interesting ones that really stand out. But honestly, the entire movie in this theater is just, it's incredible. It's so cool. I can't get enough of this movie. I've seen it many times, and it just never gets old. And I have not yet seen Dune 2, but I'm hopeful that it will have as good of sound as this one. So thanks for watching.